Stay tuned for this delicious delicacy done Jamaican style barbecue chicken feet.
Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl. Welcome to my kitchen. Now, family and friends, if you are from the Caribbean, you know chicken feet is a thing. So I start by cleaning my chicken feet and then I scald them off in half of a lemon and then I rinse them thoroughly. Next, family and friends, I move to season my chicken feet. If you want to know what season I use, just comment seasoning in the comment section and I'm sure to respond with the list of seasoning. Now, family and friends, I make sure I coat them very well and then I leave it to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now, let me pause to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for making my channel one of your viewing choice. And for my loyal viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for staying with me week after week. Now, family and friends, it's time to put my chicken feet in the pressure pot. I add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and then I add my chicken feet to this, stir them just to flavor them for a little bit, guys. Add to that 4 pegs of garlic and then I add a cup and a half of chicken broth. Cover and pressure for about 20 minutes. Now, after 20 minutes, family and friends, this is what it looks like. It is all done. This is a quick, easy meal. Once you're doing it in the pressure pot, it is so simple. Even the kids can do this. Just guide them with the pressure pot. Next, family and friends, I add my barbecue sauce to some onions, guys, and then I coat my chicken feet very well. Add my fresh onions to this and whatever other herbs you want to use. It's simply up to you, family and friends. Put them in the air fryer. Just allow them to brown up nice and pretty. And family, I can't just wait to dig in. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification and you certainly will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Next, family and friends, I rough chop some cabbage and carrots and some onions and bell peppers. I just want to stir fry this in to serve as my side. Now, family and friends, see them, I plate it up already. It looks good, it smells good, and I can't wait to dig in. My dollop of spiritual encouragement comes to us from Romans 12 verse 2. I want to encourage you not to be consumed with temporal things. Transformation comes by having a new mindset. All right, family and friends, after 15 minutes in the air fryer, this is what it looks like. Steamy, hot looking, good colored, right? And just waiting to devour. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I'll see you next week when I'll have for you another delicious, authentic Jamaican meal. I'll see you next week, guys. Family and friends, this is so delicious and divine. I had to share it with you.